there you are. Cat Cafe. We've just had a beautiful hour in there. It was so fun. It's on 3 floors. You can just about see for the tree up there. Well worth it. Beautiful, aren't they?
So many cats already.
Oh, there's one up there as well. Did it do nibble you?
It tried. It tried. It tries. I think he's grumpy right now. I think the cat might be a bit grumpy. He tried biting me, but I moved my hand away as I could. Oh, there's one at the bottom, look.
There.
Hello.
Hello.
So cute.
Gone.
I don't know what's happening. What?
It's you.
That doesn't always work, Mum.
Oh, the fur on them's so thick and soft, isn't it? Beautiful, aren't they? Is that me? That one's up on the top there. Going through them.
You've got to send me all these recordings after that.
He's got his eyes on that, hasn't he?
That scared me. See, you didn't make that me. Oh shit, I don't know. Can we go up now?
Yeah. Yeah, wouldn't be a bad idea, would it? I like the steps and stuff. Look at him. He's got his eyes on that. Oh. Oh, lovely. Gently, Mills. Just put your arm out and sniff you. I'll give him a stroke.
Can I have four? His eyes are getting smaller.
Just be careful around the stomach and area, because they don't always like that.
Just let us sniff me. I think he already. Oh, she already. Oh,
That one's still behind you as well.
what's this, Dad?
Definitely a boa.
That's a cat toy, Ally.
What do I do with it? Marker.
Oh,
You're lovely, aren't you?
what she likes, Mills.
On the table.
She's right next to you.
I was putting down my toy.
Don't know why I automatically say he to all of them.
I
But,
know, I keep on doing that.
oh, I thought it
Mills upstairs.
right on the back here. Lovely.
Yeah, he's literally not moving. Yeah, if you're on the best, if you want to play with a cat, don't come up here because that one's not moving. That is so cool. So how old are you? 8. And 9. Seems like you're the oldest here.
Yeah, says Ian, that's a baby. She's always down.
What's the main king? Is it a main king?
The one down here, yeah.
Yeah. Sit down, Mills. Don't scare him.
That is so cute. Oh, I think you were going to be that coffee, but then you realised it's not anything milk. Oh, that's the one I was looking at.
Oh, love its fur.
It feels so weird.
Oh, God, its teeth are sharp.
It's so cute.
Snow Bengals. Is that what they're called? He's gonna go. Yeah. He's gonna be in trouble. Oh, sulking now. Is that what Austin was as well? Snoring. Oh, yeah. Oh, that's it, flop. Still there. Been there since we come in.
Dad?
It's Tabitha.
Nah. Flopped down. And here comes another. And still he sits there.
This one, what's this one?
It's almost like a Siamese colour, long haired, isn't it? It's really beautiful.
Look at my pictures.
Oh, yeah.
You're so pretty, aren't you?
Go on. He's thinking about it. Hey. No, 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 no.
He drank it. I just thought it was going to say hello, no?
What's it after now? What's it? No.
How is it like that? Oh, he's a
I don't know.
Oh my god.
Always were exactly the same, aren't they?
Yeah.
Oh, that was scary.
You just like doing nothing.
Take a picture. Oh, damn it. What's this one?
And he's gone. Look at that. Climbing up the top, coming out the bottom. It's,
I'll have to get one of these for home.
Yeah.
Definitely. I love the heavy the 8th one.
they're all good.
I like that
I like
one.
the one in red uniform up there.
Quite like that one.
That's
Then we go.
Highlight. Oh, it's coming up. I already
Where
took
is
a
he
picture
going?
of him.
Oh, into the cat room. Thinking about it.
Should it go in?
I was just going to sit at the door.
Look at that.
Oh.
You're trying to hide from you all.
Yeah.
I already took a picture of him. Did you? He's wondering if he wants to go in.
Go on. Hey. Hang on. So,
Hedgerow.
Elsa. I love those headshots. They're beautiful. Mills, watch what you're doing because you're going downstairs. What's that one? Oh, Tabitha. Rufus. I'm sure we have seen them all. Chester. Charlie. We definitely saw Charlie because we remember the name. Yeah, and Darcy was the... Bruno.
Definitely. Bruno was sat behind me. Austin.
And Pascal. Oh, lovely.
His favourite cats.
And
They're
then-
our favourites. Tabitha
So you can
and
see
Austin.
because of the reflection. Oh, there we go.
Tabitha and Austin, they were my
You-
favourites.
You love Tabitha,
Absolutely.
didn't
I
you?
love Tabitha.
This was Pedro, so guess what? I got a Pedro badge instead.
You got Pedro because you liked Pedro, didn't
They were
you?
my
Bruno.
absolute favourites.
And
so I
Ali
had to
liked
have them.
Bruno, who you can't see there. Just turn the badge away.